Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Thanksgiving week screencast video. So, as I mentioned here in my announcement, this video might run a bit long. There will be no lecture video posted later in the week. Everybody needs a break for the Thanksgiving Day holiday. Please note, I will be away from the computer from about midday Friday, the 27th through Sunday evening. So if you have any questions or issues, you might want to email me prior to Friday morning. All right. So I posted the week 14 schedule, and I provided weeks 15 and 16 here to just give you a preview of what's happening from now until the end of the semester. As you may know, the college did decide to eliminate finals week, so all assignments and activities must end on Friday, December 11th. This causes it causes to make some adjustments in the schedule where we do have some activities due this week in order to finish up with all the assignments in a timely manner. So we have this Tuesday, revision plan number 1 will be due, and then Sunday, end of day, revision plan number 2 will be due. So this week, I urge everybody to take the time, decide on your essays, your 2 essays that you want to revise. All of the grading so far has been completed for the submitted essays on essay 3. So if you have any questions, please be sure to email me. Tuesday morning on the 24th, I will have virtual office hours once again from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So please, if you have any questions, adjust your schedule so you can attend the virtual office hours, and I can answer those questions and issues and help you out much better in a virtual conference than via email. So the first item I want to get to is, let me get to the modules. I do want to talk about Google Drive instructions for SA4. It's similar to what we've experienced in the 3 previous essays, but SA4, because of the revisions and revision plans, your contributions to the course folder are going to be a bit more numerous, I should say, right? So as with every essay assignment, you're going to need the first draft of your cover letter, right? And you're going to need your peer review report. The peer review process for essay 4 is identical to the 3 previous essays. The schedule is in the announcement section there. You can take a look at that. I believe it's the first week we get back after the Thanksgiving holiday. Also then, I will need the revised drafts of the 2 chosen essays ready for uploading to the portfolio. And if you intend to upload those to the assignments for a better grade, those revised essays should be in the Essay 4 folder. Also, the revision plan for each essay should be in your folder. So let's review this. I have a first draft of your cover letter, which is Essay 4. The peer review report for Essay 4. The final draft of the cover letter for Essay 4, just like we've done in the 3 previous essay assignments. The 2 revised drafts, okay, that's up ready for uploading to the e-portfolio, and also if you intend to upload those to the assignments, and also a revision plan that coincides with the revisions for each of those essays. So that is the Google Drive instructions for Essay 4. Now I just want to cover in the module, just to let everybody know what's happening. Here will be assignments for revision plan 1. This is uploaded just like any particular essay assignment. You're just uploading the website URL to your revision plan, your Google document. As you will notice here, this is set up to take a website URL only, so I need your GDoc link, especially your GDoc link that is in your Google Drive folder, uploaded to each revision plan. So each assignment and revision plan is worth 25 points. As you can see here is revision plan number 1, and then revision plan number 2. Okay, so the GDoc should be in your folder in the SA4 cover letter folder, and the corresponding GDocs get uploaded to the revision plan number 1 or 2. So one thing I want to talk about and spend some time on last week's lecture video, I did talk at length about the cover letter assignment. So let me talk about the revision plan here. As I say here, the purpose of the revision plan is to focus on the revision process and not the physical act of peer or instructor review. Since your peer partners and instructor have already reviewed your essay, the conversation now moves to developing a plan or a strategy to revise your draft, focusing on the specific areas mentioned in the reviews. We're looking for specific areas in the plan. These are the instructions here. So I ask you in step 1 to read your peer reviews in order to begin a conversation with yourself about the comments on your essay. Find areas of agreement or disagreement, and then discuss the specific parts of that draft that needs your attention. When I say discuss the specific parts, this is a conversation that you need to have with yourself, that little dialectal thinking in your mind, right? So here we go. Did you follow up on the suggestions about your peer reviews? Did you get to them or not? And when you were trying to put together your final draft? If you did, how did the feedback help? If you didn't, use suggestions what were the reasons you didn't use the suggestions? Was it just the time? What would you do differently is what I'm asking you to consider here in your own mind and thinking about this. This is a real critical thinking part of the revision process. So step 2 would be to review my comments about your final draft. If you are unclear about how to solve an issue, then take the time to send me an email or conference about a strategy to revise. My comments generally address some of the following areas. It could be in the earlier essays about MLA guidelines and formatting. I'm always a big guy commenting on the introduction or the opening. You got to get your way into an essay. Topics and paragraph structure is always a common comment that I do make. Organization, sentence level issues. Many times often did you dive into the real, show me of the essay. If you've got the coverage on essay 2 for the summary, if you've got the details and descriptions in essay 1, did you make strong argument for your problem and then give an adequate solution for essay 3? So look at my comments. Now, one thing I want to mention here is please do not resolve any of the comments in your final draft. I need to see those. So I can compare your revisions to my comments. It may impact your grade on the e-portfolio, and it may impact your grade if you decide to resubmit those assignments or those essay assignments for a better grade. If I can't track them, I don't know what you've specifically done. This is all on you when it comes to the revision plan. Now, step 3, for the revision plan, select the areas of your draft that require revision based on your peer and instructor review. Okay, could be the opening, could be a certain paragraph, could be a certain procedure in a couple of paragraphs, whatever needs to be done. So you want to select an area and isolate this. I want you then to copy and paste your selections into a GDoc named Revision Plan 1 or Revision Plan 2. Indicate the revisions as mentioned in step 1 or 2, 1 and 2 above. You need you to tell me exactly what you're going to do, right? What are you going to do? Are you going to expand your thesis? Are you going to expand the opening to your essay? Are you going to provide more coverage for Rosie and Uncle Joe? I need you to tell me what you're going to do. I said then provide a revised version of the original selection, highlighting the revisions in an alternative color. I say here bold is okay. So here's my example. Your peer reviewer mentions that your introduction needs more development, so you would select the intro, the original intro, just the intro from that essay you have, copy and paste it into a new document. Indicate how you would go about developing that intro, then rewrite the intro with specific changes in a different color text. Like I said, bold is okay. So this is what you do if you have maybe 1 or 2 or 3 different sections in, let's say, your first essay you're going to revise, then you would turn around and do each one of those. I do not want the complete essay copy and pasted and revised. I only want the sections that you are revising to be included in the revision plan assessment. That is clear. You'll have plenty of time to upload your complete revised essay assignment later on when we get back after the holiday to the original essay assignment. This is important. So all I want is the revisions in the document that you can submit for the revision plan assignments. I hope that is clear to everybody. I know I'm saying this late in the essay, but it's important that everybody understand this. I will dock points if you give me a complete essay draft for the revision plan assessment. I hope that is clear. Also, if you have any questions about the revision plan assignment after viewing this video in its entirety, I hope that you would send me an email. So that's the revision plan. You have the Google Drive instructions here that I've reviewed already. Google Drive instructions here, and if you look in the Drive folder, remember I do have 3 sections of COM 101. If your section is here, it's appropriate for you to take a look. The Essay 4 cover letter folder is now in our Drive account, and here is the revision plan instructions that you can look at while you are working in the Drive account. All right. So I hope this video has not confused anybody. If you have any questions, please send me an email or attend virtual office hours on Tuesday. That being said, good luck. Have a safe holiday, and I do mean that in many ways. Safe if you're traveling, safe from COVID, safe from just plain old eating too much. Good luck.